2022. In 2022, our party program, we have put for the first time, on China I am saying first. In that party program, we have clearly stated that China is an imperialist power. I tell you, you can take a 2022 party program. In that party program is the basic document. There it is clearly stated that China is an imperialist power. This is clearly stated. Second is, that is what we said just now, Union Partner. Union Partner question also, we said that earlier Combrador was the thing, okay. But while Combrador is being used, Union Partner means internationally, Adani, Ambani, Tata, Birla can act as junior partners of American or European imperialism. That is the point, because internationalization of capital. Some comrades have also asked internationalization of capital means this not merely Combrador. Relations are changing. But Modi RSS is a lackey of America, that is another question. So it is complex. Similarly, fascism question. Fascism is also today, the basis of fascism is capital. That is a Marxist position. Material basis of fascism is finance capital, corporate capital. Because according to Marxism, it is the terrorist dictatorship of the most reactionary capital. That is fascism. But ideologically, according to the concrete situation, ideological base of fascism will change. In Sri Lanka, you see, fascism cannot be in imperialist countries. It was during the colonial period. Today, fascism can be in any country. A dependent country, oppressed country can be fascist. Fascism, because capital is internationalized. Capital is always everywhere together. Capital is now complete to global reach. Therefore, fascism can originate in a underdeveloped, in a dependent country, in an oppressed country. Therefore, capital is dominating. But ideological base, in Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Buddhism can be. In Latin America, evangelism can be. In West Asia, political Islam can be. In Zionism there, India it can be Hindutva, political Hinduism, that is RSS, suffragism. So therefore, according to the concrete historical social situation of countries, the ideological basis of fascism will change, but the material basis will be the same, that is capital. That is India. It is alive. Capital is the gainer. When RSS is